Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to set up GPS and telemetry on GoPro Mission 1. GoPro Mission 1 has a GPS built into it, which lets you later view the locations of your shots. And in order to enable or disable it, you can go to the preferences and then go to GPS. Now we can set it to off or on. And when it's set to on, you can, from now on, when you record a video, you will be able to see the data about it, including it should be including the GPS. It doesn't do it here. I'll see it in the app. Well, I'm unable to actually see the location data, but I believe that later in the GoPro app there is a section on the bottom of the screen to go to edits, and it'll actually suggest edits from a certain location. It will group suggested stuff by a location. So that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.